Hi friends, today I want to tell you how to go to abroad in low budget traveling. Some important tips I will tell you, useful tips which are very useful to all international travelers. First of all, flight tickets. Flight tickets you have to search different websites, make my trip, ease my trip. So many websites are there. You have to search Gobibo like that. Whichever is cheap, you have to follow that one. And in addition to that, suppose if you want to go to Bangkok, from Hyderabad to Bangkok, it cost around will be 15 to, I mean 20 to 25,000. If you want to select another sector from Chennai to Bangkok, the cost will be very low, 13,000 to 14,000 around, 10,000 you can save. In 2017, I visited Bangkok from Chennai only. I booked my ticket around 11,500 to 12,000 up and down. Very cheap. It was very cheap at that time. Like that, any country, Bangkok, Malaysia, any Asian countries, if you want to visit, you follow this flight ticket. Don't go to travel agent. They will charge more, 4 to 5,000. They will charge. You can avoid that money. Next, coming to hotel bookings. Generally, travelers will book hotel well in advance by paying money by credit card or different means of other sources, online, internet banking. But better to avoid payment when booking hotel. First, you book hotel. Free booking hotels are there. You search websites, booking.com, make my trip, other so many websites are there. In that, free booking facility is there. You book that one. Suppose if you want to cancel the ticket, you won't lose any money after that. Otherwise, you will lose money. So when you reach that particular destination, you can cancel that and you can select another hotel also. But to get visa, hotel booking is compulsory. Flight ticket, to and fro, hotel booking, visa, all these three important. Once you visit particular country, you can cancel the ticket and you can select another hotel which you like. That doesn't matter. But booking hotel is very important. If you want, you can continue that hotel. Otherwise, you can cancel once you reach the destination. Visa. Hotel, before that one, hotel or flights 1 month in advance you have to book. That in that way you can save the money. After that, visa. Generally, people will visit travel agents for visa purpose. They pay some extra money. Nowadays, it is waste, mere waste. So many VFS, visa felicitation centers are there, services are there. You can visit. In Amirpeta, VFS Global is there. Banjara Hills is there. I think the Amirpeta it is shifted to Banjara Hills, I think, recently. From there, you can apply visa. They will charge minimum amount 2,500 something for visa purpose. Travel agents, they will charge more than 2,500. There you can save money. Okay, transportation when you reach that country, any country which you want to go to. Nearby metro, 1 or 2 kilometers distance, you have to select hotels. Then to commute the city, it will be very easy and less expensive. Next, regarding food. Nowadays, we in India packaged food available, ready to eat food available in supermarkets, Spencers, D-marts. You can get ready to cook. It will be very cheap. In a hotel, they will provide kettle by pouring hot water. Within 10 minutes the food will be ready to eat. In that way lot of money will be saved. Another thing, currency, foreign currency. Foreign currency, better to carry dollars. Suppose you are visiting more than two countries, one country, two countries, you are visiting so many countries at a time. Every country will accept dollars. So dollars will be better. In exchange, after leftover dollars also you can exchange in India with good price. But don't exchange dollars in international airports. Better to avoid airport exchange. Outside of airport only you exchange. Exchange amount will be less outside, otherwise you lose money. Water bottles. From hotel you can carry filled up water bottles. 2 liters water bottle you can carry. Outside it will be very expensive in foreign countries. So better to, like that, so many cost effective measures you have to take. Okay, tarvata any important things in airport, particularly when checking, this more than 100 grams of toothpaste don't carry. They are taking more than 100 ml perfumes, toothpaste, perfumes, anything below 100 ml or 100 grams. Scissors don't carry. When I visited Malaysia, in our airport, Hyderabad airport, they took my scissors, toothpaste, 200 grams, 50 grams toothpaste, everything they took away. So again when I reached to Malaysia, there I purchased again. Like that, you better to avoid that thing. Okay friends, this information is very useful for international travels. Okay friends, thank you, bye bye.